Hi everyone, welcome to Two Minds Path. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most essential concepts in the tech world. What is a programming language? Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. A programming language is a way to communicate with a computer. Think of it as a translator between humans and machines. Just like humans use languages like English or Kannada to communicate, we use programming languages to give instructions to computers. Here's how it works. We start with a problem we want the computer to solve. Then, we give it step-by-step instructions, also called code. The computer processes these instructions and provides a solution. Why can't computers just understand us directly? Computers can only understand binary language, a series of ones and zeros. Writing instructions in binary is not practical because it's complex. So, programming languages like Python, Java, C++ make our lives easier. They allow us to write instructions in a way closer to how humans think while being understood by computers. Programming languages are of different types: high-level languages, easy to understand and use, like Python, Java, and C#. Low-level languages, closer to machine code, like C. High-level languages allow developers to write code faster and with fewer errors. Programming languages are the backbone of technology. They help us turn ideas into reality by solving problems with computers. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into how to write code in different programming languages, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Two Minds Path. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.